Glue Dots International prides itself on being the original manufacturer of preformed, pressure-sensitive adhesives. With more than 2 decades of experience, Glue Dots offers virtually limitless amounts of adhesive formulas, patterns, and profiles. If other adhesives are failing you, Glue Dots International can work with you to find a product that meets your needs. The options are essentially endless. Our team of experts at Glue Dots will work with you to create the perfect product. Glue Dots International can customize adhesive patterns by thickness, diameter, and spacing. Adhesives can also be formulated for color, scent, and temperature resistance. Glue Dots International has proudly served the packaging, printing, and post-press, assembly, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and point-of-purchase industries for more than 20 years. Contact Glue Dots International to start working with an expert on customizing your adhesive needs today.